Hey, what's going on YouTube? And welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out LuxAlgo. LuxAlgo is an AI platform that lets you build and deploy your own trading indicators, powered by some legendary tools and used by over 15,000 traders, including myself. And I've covered many of their own premium indicators in the past on my channel. Go ahead and check out those videos. But right now, if you sign up to LuxAlgo by using my link in the description below, you can get up to 45% off their premium features. Keep in mind, you can also get 30 days risk-free, so why not try them out? So go ahead and check out LuxAlgo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join. I'll put a link to it in the description below as well. We're at 10,000 members in here, so thank you to everyone that's joined our Discord. Now let's get right into today's video. So today, I want to talk about stocks that have options that expire every other day. Now, there's many reasons why you may want to trade options that expire every other day. But one of those reasons could be if you're somebody like me that enjoys selling options. So I'm referring to cash secured puts and covered calls. Now, why would selling options that expire every other day be potentially a good thing for those that sell options? Let me quickly explain why. So let's start with SPY here as an example. So we're on SPY because SPY has options that expire every single day. And remember, when you sell an option, so let's switch over to sell here, let's switch over to puts. When you sell an option, your goal is for that option to lose value, to go to zero, so it can expire worthless or as close to zero as possible. So you can close out of it for less than what you got paid. In other words, the credit or premium you received to sell the option. So then the logical question is, how can an option lose value or go to zero? And we can answer that by looking at the Greeks. So let me go to May 19th here, and let's take a look at this put option at the 735 strike price. So remember, if you click on one of these options, let me collapse this here. If we click on one of these options, it expands. And one of the things you can see here is the Greeks. Now, in particular here, we want to focus today on theta. So why theta? So theta, remember, tells us the exact dollar amount that an options premium is expected to lose each day as it gets closer to expiration. And here is the golden rule for option sellers. The closer an at-the-money option or near at-the-money option gets to expiration, the bigger its theta is. So again, for this example, expiring May 19th, so Tuesday, at the 735 strike price, this has a theta of 0.9240. Now remember, this is per share. Each contract controls 100 shares. So we need to multiply this by 100. That gives us 9240. So what this means is that in one day, just from time passing by, we can expect the value of this option to lose $92.40. And because you sold that option, that means you would be up $92.40 just from time passing by. And so like I just mentioned, the closer the at-the-money option or near at-the-money option is to expiration, the bigger its theta is. So if I go instead to May 22nd, which is Friday, and I take a look at the put option at the same strike price, 735, I open this, you can see theta is a lot less. It's only $62 here versus $92 for the one that expires on Tuesday. So we can make more money more quickly, right? We can take advantage of that theta decay by looking at options with an expiration date closer to us. And so by selling options that expire every other day, you get to step right into the fastest part of that time decay curve, capture that premium quickly, rinse and repeat. So that being said, let's go into the list of stocks that have options expiring every other day in case this is something that you're interested in. So let's start with the first stock on the list here today. It's going to be ticker symbol MSFT Microsoft. So if we go into the expiration date here, you can see it has options that expire every other day. May 18th, that's tomorrow, Monday. May 20th, that's Wednesday. May 22nd, that's Friday. So options that expire every other day. If you really like Microsoft, you're interested in potentially buying 100 shares at a lower price, you can sell cash secured puts, and you can do that every other day and take advantage of that time decay, capture that premium quickly. The next stock here is going to be ticker symbol GOOGL. So Alphabet Class A. So if you go to Alphabet here and we go into the options here for Alphabet, we can see here, right? It has options expiring every other day. So again, May 18th, May 20th, May 22nd, every other day. So this is Google. This is the second stock on the list. Third stock on the list is going to be ticker symbol AAPL. So this is Apple. So if we go into Apple here and we go into the options for Apple, again, we'll see that this has options expiring every other day. May 18th, May 20th, May 22nd. So that's the third stock on the list. Fourth stock is NVDA, NVIDIA. So if we go into NVIDIA here and we go into the options for NVIDIA, we can see here, again, options expiring every other day. Now, notice that this one is missing May 20th expiration. That's because it has earnings on that date. So there is a rule that if there's earnings on a particular day that it's supposed to have an option expiring. I think they decided not to have options expiring that day for purposes of potential risks with that, right? So that's why it's missing the May 20th expiration, but again, every other day expirations. Next one is AMZN, Amazon. So if you go to Amazon here, we're going to see that again it has options expiring every other day, May 18th, May 20th, May 22nd. The next one is going to be Tesla, TSLA. So Tesla, if we go into Tesla, we can look at the options for Tesla. Again, options expiring every other day. We also have Meta. So if we go to Meta here, same thing. We go into the options here for Meta. We will see it has options expiring every other day. So basically the Mag 7 have options expiring every other day. And then there's one more stock on the list. It's going to be ticker symbol AVGO, so Broadcom. So if we go to Broadcom here and we go into the options here for Broadcom, you will see it also has options expiring every other day. So May 18th, May 20th, May 22nd. So an easy way to remember is, the Mag 7 stocks plus Broadcom. And as well, if you type in here options at the bottom, there is a list for equity options with daily expirations. Now, I don't know why it says daily expirations because it's not exactly daily, it's every other day. But if you click on this, it will also show you all the stocks that we just went through here. So there you guys have it. These are stocks that have options expiring every other day. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Check out the Discord, link to that in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys next time.